Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just another MJ stock here article. Kind of interesting. Been doing a couple of these here lately. This is MJ stocks to watch. Schwazze Undervalued Consolidator. And this is, as you can see, released yesterday. As you follow my channel, you know I talk a lot about MJ on the channel. It seems like that's all the requests that I get. And there's a lot to be said behind the MJ sector, and in itself, it's a long-term hold for myself, but someday it's going to be legal on the federal level, and I feel whenever that day and time comes, a lot of these are going to explode, so that's just my hope. So whether it's legal or not, everybody's participating, and like I say, whether it's legal or not, they're going to get the product anyway, so might as well legalize it and be done with it and move on. So, but this is February 10th. We caught up with, I think it's Schwazze, that's how I'm going to say it, ticker SHWZ management this week to discuss the company's recently completed deal to enter New Mexico expansion in Colorado, and plans to further near-term growth both from M&A and ongoing construction projects in these states and adjacent markets. We continue to view the company as one of the best growth stories in the United States. MJ, as Schwazze consolidates these to date fragmented markets. Beyond growth, we are confident that the execution expansion will enable margin expansion, sustainable cash generation, and greater awareness for the stock. Meanwhile, we continue to believe that the lingering opportunity for the company to be acquired by a leading MSO looking to enter Colorado at scale exists, particularly in light of recent investment in the state by top MSO, including Curleaf, which I've talked about them on the channel, Columbia Care, I don't believe I talked about, and PharmaChem. I don't believe I've talked about them either. We believe that the New Mexico expansion provides a nice complement to any Colorado interest. Our rating for Schwazze remains a buy, and our target price is at $2.75. We update our forecast to reflect New Mexico contributions and introduce 2023 estimates. Completed acquisition of New Mexico operator and will enter into the market ahead of the initial rec sales in March. Schwazze now well positioned to be an early leader in the to date underdeveloped market. Anticipate a continued expansion as the company further consolidates the Colorado market and expands into additional states. Believe could be a takeout candidate as MSO continued to target Colorado and other mature U.S. MJ markets. Stock undervalued. We expect a meaningful upside will come on execution and greater investor awareness of expansion progress. And so just thought it was kind of an interesting article. I hadn't heard of this one yet. So just kind of doing an article on it and see who out there has this one. So here's the article on PDF. There is the ticker SHWZ. And as you can see, that trades on the OTCQX. I think that's one. The next step, I believe, is to the NASDAQ or the major exchanges. So, but I'll just scroll through some of this information. As we all know, it's legal in Colorado and has been for quite some time. I believe they were the first state to legalize. Deal complete to enter New Mexico this week. Acquired Greenleaf, the second largest operator in New Mexico, for $42 million, $25 million in cash, and $17 million in seller's notes. New Mexico components, existing high-growth Colorado opportunity, particularly as the state kicks off the rec sales by the end of next month. So just wanted to do an article on this one. Again, there is the ticker SHWZ. So on the kickoff, maybe this would be the right time to purchase this one. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. You'd have to do that on your own. But it is an undervalued one to consider and one to watch per the article. So, but if you have Schwazze, go ahead and list that in the comments. Again, the ticker is SHWZ, and we'll see if there's any other information out there in regards to this one and see who has it. I don't know any of this one currently, but I'm gonna take a look at it since it's price target of $275. But if there's any other MJ stocks out there you want me to take a look at, I'd be happy to look at those as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.